In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule your Microsoft Teams recurring meeting without deleting it. Rescheduling a recurring meeting can feel a bit daunting, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage your calendar smoothly and avoid any disruptions. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and sign in with your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're in, locate the calendar icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to open your calendar view, where all your scheduled meetings are neatly laid out. Search for the specific recurring meeting you wish to reschedule. You can easily spot it by browsing using either the daily, weekly, or even monthly view options, depending on how frequently your meetings repeat. When you have identified the meeting, single-click on it. This will reveal a small pop-up with a summary of the meeting details. Here, click on the Edit option. At this stage, you'll be presented with two choices: Edit Occurrence for that single meeting instance or Edit Series if you desire to change all the future meetings in this sequence. For the purpose of rescheduling a recurring meeting, select Edit Series. This ensures that your changes apply across every meeting in your sequence without deleting them. Once in the series editing view, look for the date and time fields on this screen. Here, you can adjust the meeting start time, end time, and the specific days on which the meetings will occur. It's also prudent to double-check your time zone settings to ensure it aligns with participants possibly joining from different regions. After you've made your desired changes, don't forget to click the Save button located at the top right corner of the window. This step is crucial as it updates all the occurrences in the series to reflect your new schedule. After saving, your participants will automatically receive an email notification with the updated meeting details. This way, everyone remains in the loop, and there's less chance of confusion. As a helpful tip, consider reaching out personally to key participants or team members if the schedule adjustment is significant. This ensures that everyone is prepared and able to accommodate the new meeting time in their agendas. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully rescheduled your Microsoft Teams recurring meeting series without deleting it. Remember that maintaining clear communication and keeping your team updated about changes like these is vital for ensuring productivity and collaboration. We hope these instructions have been helpful and enable you to manage your Microsoft Teams calendar with greater ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comments section. See you next time for more tech tips and guides.